Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Donkey Kong versus Mario from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mario versus Donkey Kong, let's begin with Donkey Kong's face. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down and that's going to curve around here like a sideways S. Next, I'm going to make a big circle inside of here for the eye. And then over here, I'm going to make another line that's just going to come up, and then I'm going to bring it back. Then I'll bring this one up and down to here. I'm going to make a circle in here for the eye, and I'm going to color in most of it. And then I'm just going to put a small little circle here for the other eye with a little pupil in there. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down for the nose. And then another one over here that's just going to curve around. Little line down and a little line down. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve it up and a smile with a little line right here. Next, I'm going to bring this line around here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up for the teeth. And we'll draw a couple little lines in here. Then right here, I'm going to make another line. It's going to go down and up for the lip. And then I'll draw a line right here for the finish off part of his face. We'll also make a line that comes down. Now for the hair, we're going to bring this line up. And we're going to put a couple little points on here. I'm going to bring this line around to about here. For the ear, I'm going to make a big circle shape. Put a little curve and then another one right inside of there. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. Then I'm going to bring this line around and up here for his tie. Now, starting here, I'm going to make his arm. So I'm just going to make it a little pointy in some spots. I'm going to bring this down and then over here. Then we're going to make some little zigzag lines across here. And I'm going to curve this all the way to here. Now for the hand, I'm going to bring this line up and down for the thumb. Then I'm going to bring this line around for a finger. We'll do one here, and then one more right there. We'll draw a little line right here. And then we'll make a line that comes up. We're going to bring this one up and around here. I'm going to bring this line up for his arm and another one here. Then I'll make a line right down here. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line around for a thumb. We'll bring a line here. I'm going to bring this line around. We're going to curve it around, a little line here, and then connect it there. Draw a line here, and a line here, and then we'll do one small one right there. And I'll add a few points on it. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to just kind of curve this line around here for the chest. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line down. And then I'm going to make his toes. So I'm going to make a curved line here. One here. One here. And then one more here. Then I'm going to bring this line up. And I'm going to curve this over to here. And I'll bring this line down. We'll put some little zigzags across. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. We'll bring this line down and we'll make a little curve here for a toe. And we'll put another one here. And then I'm going to bring this up here. We'll bring this up here in this one. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to bring this down. Draw a little line up, and then we'll bring that down. I'm going to bring this line over, and then I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then in. And I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to kind of make it a little bit flatter across there. Then we'll just curve this line across. Right here, I'm going to make a big oval for the nose. Make a line that's going to come up and down. And then one that's just going to go up and kind of curve around here. Make a little dot here and a little dot here. Make a line that's going to come around, kind of bumpy, and then bring it up to here. I'll make a line that's going to come around here and up. We'll make his eyebrows kind of going down. We'll make a curve for his ear right there. We'll make the brim of his hat. We'll make a line that's going to come up and down to here. Then we'll put the little circle on here, and then we'll put the M in here. We'll do a couple little bumps for some hair, and his little ear over here too. Right here for the hand, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around, and we'll do a couple more. And then I'm going to curve this around. Make part of the glove. And then I'll bring a line that's going to come up to here. And then a line that's going to curve around here. We'll bring this line down and around. And we'll bring this line up. And then I'll connect this line here. Then we'll make this little line go over and then connect, and we'll put a little button right there. I'll add a couple little wrinkles on there, and a little line across here for the shoe. I'm going to put a couple little lines inside here for the ears, and a little line right here for the other shoulder. And there you go, there is your drawing of Donkey Kong and Mario from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.